Well, Tamil Nadu has a long history of actors turning to politics, and the likes of Jayalalitha and MGR rewrote Tamil Nadu politics, and they successfully transitioned from famous actors to adored politicians. You've just seen Kamal Haasan with his manifesto biting the bullet. Well, he's got a huge legacy of netas turned abhinetas in Tamil Nadu to fill.
Tamil Nadu politics is deeply entrenched with the film industry, with 5 chief ministers from the industry. The 2 most famous being MGR and Jayalalitha. Both aided by the huge popularity that they enjoyed as superstars. MGR used his popularity to make the AIADMK a successful political party that would go on to achieve sweeping victories in many elections. With his charm, charisma and political acumen, MGR created a huge cadre base across the state. The cadre so dedicated that it ensured nobody could touch the icon when he was alive. Following his footsteps, Jayalalitha too enjoyed the stature of a demi-goddess in Tamil Nadu politics. But prior to her foray into Tamil Nadu politics, Jayalalitha too ruled the silver screen for more than a decade. She was the most sought-after name, not just in Tamil Nadu, but also in Kannada and Telugu film industries. With Jaya's death, a larger-than-life person no longer exists in Tamil Nadu politics, and that's left behind a void that likes of Kamal Haasan are now trying hard to fill.
Now, Kamal Haasan is the rare new generation politician to take the big political plunge because his counterpart and contemporary Rajinikanth decided not to. But ahead of these elections, several parties have got some much needed star power with actors lining up to join the parties, maybe not to actually fight the elections, but just to add that sheen during the campaign. But there are those who are not joining politics but still have made their preferences quite clear. Take a look. This election in Tamil Nadu is loaded with star power, with several celebrities picking sides. While some stars have officially joined politics, many others have chosen to be vocal on social media on where they stand in the fight for power. Here's a look at the stars who are now fighting it out in the political arena. The most talked about turncoat in the last few months is actor Khushbu Sundar. A household name in Tamil Nadu for her hit films in the 90s, Khushbu had an illustrious career in the film industry, having acted with all the top stars, including Rajini and Kamal. She's had an interesting political career graph. She joined the DMK in 2010, left the party to join the Congress in 2014, and then last year dumped the Congress to join the BJP.
It gives me immense pleasure to take a step forward and become a part of Bharatiya Janata Party today, which over a period of time I have come to an understanding that if the nation has to move forward, we need somebody like our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji to take the country in the right direction and to its glory.
But it's not just Khushbu. Many others from the film industry are now active politicians. Actor Nagma, who is in the Congress, Sivaji Ganeshan's son Ram Kumar, who has chosen the Saffron Party, actor Subbu Panchu Arunachalam, who's also with the BJP. Kollywood stars, however, are known to largely stay out of current affairs, with only a few taking the real political plunge. But there are others who choose to be active on social media and make their stand clear on controversial political issues. But known to have a huge following in all the southern states, is very vocal on social media, most recently slamming celebrities who tweeted out in unison on the Greta Toolkit case. He even came out to back activist Disha Ravi after her arrest. Several Kollywood stars tweeted their support to protesting farmers. Actors Karthi, Jayam Ravi, Andrea Jeremiah took a stand against the central government on the farmers' sit-in protest at Delhi's borders. And then there's actor Surya, loved and adored by the masses. Surya has been vocal on the issue of education and took a stand against the AIADMK government when he ranted about the education policies and the NEET row.
Grassroots level இருக்கிற விஷயத்தை பத்தி எப்படி கவனம் இல்லாம இருக்க முடியும்? 30 கோடி மாணவர்கள் பத்தி பேசுற விஷயம் அது. அப்படி என்ன டைம் லிமிட்? அப்படி என்ன நேரம் இல்ல உடனே பண்ணி ஆகணும்? அது ஏன் அப்படி நடந்துட்டு இருக்குது? ஏன் இங்க இருக்கிற அத்தனை பேரும் பேசவில்லை அப்படிங்கிறது பெரிய வருத்தமா இருந்துச்சு.
Some stars have taken the political plunge, others have made it clear which side of the political spectrum they stand on. These stars always grab eyeballs in a state where they enjoy a larger-than-life persona. And that's why they matter so much in this high-voltage political fight.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.